Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. Today I'm explaining how to install your PC on app player. If you need to phone apps using your PC, so need app player. So I'm just open one browser. I like Mozilla Firefox and search app player. App player for PC. Okay, now if you see blue stick, the wall top app player and emulator and memo Nox player, the best download emulator in PC Mac of 2013. So I'm just choosing today's LD player. Just I'm click download LD player 9, just most update and latest version. Okay, then I am install the X browser X APK. Now click download, then download starts. So I'm wait for response and download. Just now video is paused. Total 638.05 megabytes. So guys, I'm waiting and video continue. So guys, now today I'm just LD player download and install. Okay, then I click start. So now your LD player version 9 is ready. So just time wait for response and how to set your LD player. So just 94% loading. Wait for 100% loading. So guys, now LD player is ready. So click system app and go to Play Store account and click settings. So full just a phone, and now use your phone application on your PC. So goodbye.